Hey, how you going, guys? It's just in a Prado. So the Prado 150, pretty much 2009 to 2023 it's going to be the same process. The camera is a bit like different. So if you've got the older type two-tone lights, 2009 to 2013, you're going to have like a 4-pin camera in the back. If you've got the newer Prado, it's going to be like a 6-pin camera. Process is all the same, just the product's different. You can see it's a full factory fit camera and it's 1080p AHD. So I'll quickly go through and I'll show you how you replace that. So you got to take your cover off. So you got a 12mm here that needs to come off, and the buckle down the bottom to get the cover off. So you got to push the clip back here and make sure it actually comes off the clip at the back. These are always a bit of a jimmy to get off, but once it comes off, we'll pull that whole cover off. So this clip here, when it comes off, it's like a double action clip. It's got this little latch here that needs to pop over the front. So if it's a bit stuffed, just pull it from the top, and then you'll be able to get the double action part happening, which is that sort of movement up and down. Then you've got a 12mm there and a 12mm at the back that are going to come off. And then this whole thing's going to pull off. And you would have noticed on the factory one, it's got this little cup that sort of covers half the bottom of the camera. You can actually take that off and get rid of it. It's not actually needed. And then once so that comes off, you can see that's our plug for our camera here, which just going to push down to pull that plug off. And then you got 2 small Phillips screws here and here, and the camera's a direct replacement. So then all you got is so if you turn this to the side to get it off and pull the plug off, you can get a flat head under here if you do need to get that clip off of that plug. That comes off, undo these 2 screws, and you can change into the other camera. So you can see that's the factory camera. The quality's not too bad. It's going to be CV BS NTSC is the other format. Now you'll see when we put the aftermarket in the difference. So we swapped the new camera into there, just those 2 screws in the back. Sorry, I skipped that stage. And then everything just goes back on in reverse. These 2 screws. You can see we took off that bit that sits under the bottom here. You don't need that bit, and it just means your camera doesn't get a little blocked at the bottom. So once you put the new camera back in, what you actually got to do is come in here and just change the setting. I'll show you what you do. This is not quick booting, so it might just be a setting I need to change for that. So when I come into reverse now, you'll see what's going to happen. Fizzy, click and hold, come into here, click on that settings icon, 4 zeros. Flick this across until we're on 1080p 25. Click the save little clipboard. Now you'll see what happens. Now you can see that is the updated quality there. To give you an idea, you can turn off these lines, but that is showing you the quality. Now that cover stops you seeing further down the toggle area, etc. So that's why other people take it off. But that is the better quality. Hopefully you can sort of see that in the video, the difference.